Here at Highway and Heavy Parts, we get a lot of people that place orders on the website, call in over the phone. But one of the biggest questions we get is, what's in the box? What am I going to get when I order a turbocharger? Today, we're going to go into a couple turbos that we got here and give you an idea what you're going to get with your typical turbocharger. This one here we've got out of the box already, got the packaging off from it. This is a DT466 turbocharger, and I'm just going to open it up and let you see. It's going to come inside a heavy plastic bag to keep any debris out of the turbo. But what you're going to find here is that the turbo is going to be complete. It's going to be your exhaust housing, your intake housing, compressor housing. It's going to have a packet with your turbo feed and turbo drain gaskets, as well as your mounting gasket attached right here to the mount plate. It's also going to be fully assembled with your wastegate actuator and calibrated for your application. All right, so this turbo here is going to be a BorgWarner for your Caterpillar C7. What we're going to do is just kind of open the box and see what you get. What's inside the box? As we open it up, we're going to find this thing has got some important instructions from BorgWarner as far as warranty statement. You're going to find a package that has your turbo mounting gasket, as well as the turbo feed gasket and the turbo drain gasket included with each of the BorgWarner turbos. This particular one has got foam packaging to make sure that it does not get damaged in shipment. And as we pull this thing out of the box, so you can see this one comes in a heavy-duty plastic bag as well. As we open up this plastic bag, you'll see the turbo is going to be a complete assembly, including the wastegate actuator. You'll see this one is wastegate actuator, obviously, is not hooked up on this one. That allows you to loosen these bolts here and rotate that housing to fit your particular application. A lot of times with turbochargers, the rotation of the housing needs to be done to make sure everything lines up, and that'll help you get this thing installed and ready to go. Again, C7 turbocharger here. If you got any questions or comments, leave a comment below, or give us a shout at 844-215-3406. Or check us out on the website, highwayandheavyparts.com.